Ollie the owl decides to plant a sunflower garden. He digs little holes and places one seed in each. Bella, the bunny, hops by. "What are you doing, Ollie?" "I am planting sunflowers, but they take time to grow." Every morning, Ollie waters the soil with a tiny cup. Day after day, nothing happens. The ground stays brown. Bella asks, "Are you sure they will grow, Ollie?" Ollie smiles. Good things need time and patience. One sunny morning, a tiny green sprout appears. Ollie's eyes fill with joy. The first sprout is here. More sprouts push through. Soon the garden is full of green. Tall golden sunflowers bloom, reaching up to the blue sky. Patience turns tiny seeds into the most beautiful things.